All right, get down. You got to get down and crawl. There you go. Good job. Now crawl over to your toy basket. There you go. Good job. What's in there? Lots of fun toys, huh? Oh, you're gonna try to make, no, you should go to the window ledge. Good job. Oh, okay. Good job, Brooke. Is this close enough? All right. Careful. Oh, oh, you got yourself. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. Here you go. You did it. Yay, look at that. Good job. Now you come to me.